2.1.43, graph the following function. Check your result using a graphing calculator. Okay, so ignore the graphing. Well, if you want, you can check it on using like Desmos, but again, on tests, you won't be allowed to use graphing calculators. So, learn how to do it without it. All right, so the first thing that I notice is it's splitting at -5. And at 6. So we have 3 intervals. So on the left piece, over here, we're doing y equals x plus 3. So if I were to graph that, the y-intercept's 3, up 1 over 1. So I'm going to get a line like that. But we're splitting it at 5. I'm -5. And just graphing this portion. So what I like to do is put in -5. -5 plus 3 is on -2. And I'm going to put an open circle there because there's no equal to. And again, the slope's 1. So up 1 over 1. And then I draw my line using this tool here. Okay. And then the middle is y equals -1. Well, that's a horizontal line at -1, but we only want it from -5 to 6. Oh, I'm sorry, this -5 was equal to for this first one, so it'll be a solid dot. And then -1, and we're just going in this portion here. So we're going to connect those two. And then the bottom portion is 1/3 x. Y equals 1/3 x. I mean the bottom function, which is the right. X is greater than or equal to 6. So again, if I were to graph that, the slope would be the y-intercept would be 0. The slope would be 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Something like this. But we only want this portion starting here. So again, if I put 6 in, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And the slope's up 1 over 3. So I would get a graph that looks like this. So that's the graph I'm looking for. Not A, maybe B. Looks like B, right? Yeah. Let's just zoom in on that. Or is it C? It's hard to tell. No, it's B. But we'll find out.